Well, I didn't have a little one, but I was out before, right?
Yep.
Yeah. And then you're like, well, what kind of stuff do you need? I'm like, I don't know, at this point.
What's the matter? Oh, I thought it would be.
What do you call an elevator full of white people? Box of crackers?
Boom, follow the camera.
Follow the camera, bro.
Yeah. When in doubt, follow the big stick on the camera. Hey, hey.
What, you're putting two of them in here?
Well, we're going to do one week. She said you could come over here and do it.
That's what she said. Go put one here and then move the other one.
Good, good.
What the hell she doing?
Take pizza to yours.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Say it's your birthday! What do you want? Hello?
No.
No! Oh God, oh God. I love that, okay.
Make sure you got your buddy.